Before you use your Hush-Tone cordless upright, first select the floor type to be vacuumed, and then rotate the height adjustment lever to the desired position. Next, press the handle release pedal and tilt the unit back using the handle. Use the power switch to turn on the vacuum in either hush or boost mode. To remove the wand, pull and tilt it away from the unit. Use the wand and extension hose for a detailed above the floor cleaning. Then replace the wand when done. If you are lifting the vacuum upstairs or onto a cart, use the lift handle to lift it safely.